today we will be unboxing this hair clipper that we ordered from Shopee.
Hold up.
We ordered this because my brother doesn't want his hair to be cutted at the barber shop. That's why my father ordered this. We're sorry for the background noise. It's because it's raining. So we're gonna open this now. The brand is Kemei and is made from China. Charge this for 4 hours and you can use it for 240 minutes. Let's open it. So here we have the user manual and the razor. Oh, it seems like there are 4 accessories inside here. And here it is. Here's the charger. You can charge it. And I don't know what this is. And this is the oil for the razor. Oh, I forgot. We also have a brush. There are 4 accessories. 1/8, 1/4, 1/3, and 1/2. So we're gonna try the accessories. We're gonna start with this one. It fits. Next is the 1/4. It also fits. Next is 1/3. It also fits as well. And the last one, 1/2. It definitely fits. And if you're wondering how to on it, here's the switch. You just have to push it up and it will be on. You could also see the battery percentage. As you can see, it's still 99%. And this oil is used to lubricate the blade. And the last one is this brush. This is used for brushing off the hair in the blade. So I think we're all done with unboxing. So if you want to order this, you can order this in Shopee or Lazada. Bye!
At dyan nagtatapos ang aming video for today. So don't forget to click like
And subscribe.
and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming mga bagong videos. Thank you for watching!
Bye!